Welcome you all. Myself Mr. Sandeepan Badelia. Today we will discuss about sulfonation reaction of benzene. In your examination, question will be asked in this manner. Define electrophile. What do you mean by electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions? Enlist various electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions of benzene and write in detail about सल्फोनेशन रिएक्शन ऑफ बेंजीन विथ इट्स मैकेनिज्म। तो उस क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है, यू हैव टू गिव डेफिनेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफाइल, देन यू हैव टू गिव डेफिनेशन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रोफिलिक एरोमेटिक सब्सटीट्यूशन रिएक्शंस, देन you have to mention various electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction that is given by benzene, and in the detail you have to mention the sulfonation reaction with its mechanism. So in the previous lecture of nitration reaction of benzene, we have well discussed about the definition of electrophile, definition of electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction, and we have discussed about the various electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. So in this lecture we will focus only on the sulfonation reaction of benzene, the reaction and its mechanism. Now what is sulfonation? Benzene, whenever allowed to react with fuming concentrated sulfuric acid, so यहाँ पर बेंजीन की प्रक्रिया जब हम फ्यूमिंग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड के साथ करते हैं तब हाइड्रोजन दैट इज अटैच विद द कार्बन विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय द सल्फोनिक एसिड ग्रुप। तो कार्बन के साथ जो हाइड्रोजन अटैच होता है उसका रिप्लेसमेंट होता है, यानी कि सब्सटीट्यूशन होता है सल्फोनिक एसिड ग्रुप के साथ। दिस विल लीड टू फॉर्मेशन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट दैट इज नोन एज बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड, एंड दिस रिएक्शन इज नोन एज sulfonation reaction of benzene. As we know, in the benzene all the hydrogens are equivalent, so any one of the 6 hydrogen can be replaced by the sulfonic acid group. रिएक्शन हम देखें यहाँ पर तो बेंजीन whenever treated with fuming sulfuric acid, so the hydrogen that is attached with the carbon that is replaced by the sulfonic acid group, that will lead to formation of compound. This compound is known as benzene sulfonic acid, and one water molecule will be released. फ्यूमिंग सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड का मीनिंग होता है जिसमें सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड की फ्यूम्स रहती है, दैट इज द मोर कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड फॉर्म ऑफ सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. नाउ मैकेनिज्म. दिस मैकेनिज्म इन्वॉल्व्स 4 different steps. Step number 1, generation of active sulfur trioxide molecule, that is known as electrophile. So here 2 molecules of concentrated sulfuric acid will react with each other, and by the reversible reaction 1 molecule of hydronium ion, 1 molecule of bisulfate ion and 1 molecule of sulfur trioxide will be formed. This sulfur trioxide molecule, it is the key molecule that brings about the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Second step, attack of the active sulfur trioxide molecule to the benzene ring. So यहाँ पर सल्फर ट्राइऑक्साइड मॉलिक्यूल जो है वो बेंजीन के ऊपर अटैक करता है, दैट विल लीड टू जनरेशन ऑफ बेंजीन कार्बोकेटायन. दिस इज नोन एज बेंजीन कार्बोकेटायन and it is also known as benzenonium ion. So this is the reversible reaction and it is the slower one. So rate of reaction, it is dependent on the step number 2. The step number 2 is generation of benzene carbocation or benzenonium ion. In this, carbon which is positively charged, that is connected with hydrogen as well as sulfite anion. Next is step number 3, that is abstraction of proton from this benzenonium ion by bisulfate ion, HSO4 minus, that is bisulfate ion, to generate the reactive intermediate sulfite anion. This is sulfite anion that will be generated by abstraction of this proton. This one is benzenonium ion. Here proton will be abstracted by this bisulfate ion itself. It will be converted into sulfuric acid, and this carbon will be connected now with sulfite anion. Now positive charge of carbon will be removed. So here Third step is generation of sulfite anion. This step is faster one. Step number 4, that is abstraction of proton from hydronium ion by sulfite ion to generate the product. Here the sulfite ion that will abstract proton from this hydronium ion to generate the product that is known as benzene sulfonic acid. तो यहाँ पर हाइड्रोजन मतलब कि प्रोटॉन का एब्स्ट्रैक्शन होता है ये सल्फाइट आयन के द्वारा. सो दिस विल बी कन्वर्टेड इनटू बेंजीन सल्फोनिक एसिड and by this reversible reaction one water molecule will be released. Here the equilibrium is shifted towards the left side. This is step number 4, the formation of benzene sulfonic acid. In this, the benzene carbocation, which is benzenonium ion, to which sulfite ion is attached, it is a hybrid structure of 1, 2 and 3. These are the three hybrid structure of benzenonium ion to which sulfite ion is attached. यहाँ पर हमने देखा है in the previous lecture that cation it is present on second, here in the fourth, here in the sixth position, and double bond here third and fifth position. In this one double bonds are present at second and fifth position, and in the third structure the double bonds are present at the second and fourth position. So the benzenonium ion can be more likely represented by the structure number 4. This is the hybrid structure or resonating structure of benzenonium ion. So this is all about sulfonation reaction of benzene. Whenever question asked in your examination you have to mention all these things. Prepare well this question. अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आए तो इसको लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, and to get latest videos subscribe my channel. My channel name is Sandeep N Badelia. So we will meet again in the next lecture with another topic. Thank you all. Goodbye. See you again.